Why is your investment strategy failing your pension? According to Vanguard, 80% of pension investors lose potential returns due to poor strategies. Now, there's three reasons for that, and this is what you can do. First of all, over-conservative investments could cut your returns in half. Very often you put into a very conservative default pension by your IFA wealth manager. Check that. See the kind of returns you've got over the last 5 years. If it's been about 3 to 5% per annum, you're in trouble. Secondly, frequent fund switching can reduce your long-term growth by about 25%, according to Which and their calculations. Now, the IFAs and wealth managers will be pushing you to change funds, chasing market returns, and so on. Very often, finding good quality companies, especially if you know how to do it yourself, more on that in a second, will serve you better than constantly switching, and the fees to leave early, fees to enter new funds. And often a lot of these fund managers put the money into other funds of their own fund company. So they're charging you fees twice, double dipping. Number three, not rebalancing annually can lower your pension returns by tens of thousands. What do I mean by that? Well, let's say you've had some stocks which have done incredibly well, or funds which have done incredibly well. It might be time to take some of those gains and now put them into something else, so you're not outbalanced in just all your money isn't just basically in one fund, to put it in extreme terms. That's done well, and all the others have been lagging behind. What's your call to action? Three things. If you want a free book on investing, one of 18 that I've written, reviewed, and commended by Bloomberg TV and by the Financial Times, then go to the link in the bio. If you want a free pension review, on a free call about that, if you want a free investment course or free daily updates on my Telegram channel, then you want to go right now to the link in the bio, alpeshpatel.com/links. Thank you.